Stop saying very happy, very beautiful. Use better words.
Are you always saying very happy, very beautiful, or very tired? Stop. There is a better way to say it, and I will show you how. Why avoid very? Using very all the time makes your English sound basic. Instead, use stronger words. Better words to use. Instead of very happy, say thrilled. Instead of very beautiful, say stunning. Instead of very tired, say exhausted. Instead of very angry, say furious. Instead of very cold, say freezing. Example sentences: I'm very happy today. I'm thrilled today. She looks very beautiful. She looks stunning. He is very tired after work. He is exhausted after work. Try using these words in your daily English. Comment below with a sentence using a new word from this video. Like and subscribe for more fun English tips.